Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So guys, today we are going to talk about 2023 Jaguar XF. Guys, cats are solitary creatures, and true to form, Jaguar has only one gasoline-powered sedan in the lineup now amid the massive popularity of SUV and a looming push towards acceleration. The XF stick around the another lap around the sun, but it's long overdue for a redesign to help it compete against newer sedans such as Mercedes-Benz E-Class, Genesis G80 and Audi A7. Meanwhile, the XF-P25 comes standard with rear-wheel drive, an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 426 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. The P300 version boosts out to 69 horsepower and is strictly an all-wheel drive model, while the XF powertrain offering a limited inside and power despite make it more affordable entry in the mid-size luxury car segment. Its interior feature handsome material has plenty of tech, and the XF combines and plushes the ride of a big sedan with handling. Its maneuvers are reasonably speeds in downright kite glide. Unfortunately, it's not enough. This is clearly showing its age. Guys, Jaguar adds one minor equipment updated for 2023 XF sedan by making adaptive cruise control standard across all models. To maximize the sedan value proportion, we had go with the base P250S. We see no reason to upgrade to the more powerful engine in the P300 or add all-wheel drive. Our preferred model comes with plenty of desirable features including an 11.4-inch touchscreen, Apple Carplay and Android Auto compatibility, a 360-degree camera system, a 12-speaker Meridian stereo, passive hands-free entry and a wireless charging. Guide the XF is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder that comes in two potencies. The P250 version produces 246 horsepower and the P300 generates 296 horses. Both engines made to an 8-speed automatic transmission, but only the less powerful one offer rear or all-wheel drive. The P300 comes exclusively with all-wheel drive while we have not had the opportunity to test both versions at the track. We have driven the more powerful one. It hits 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds, which is slower than the now supercharged V6 model, but the Jag's exhaust still sound good. We appreciated the Jag's supple suspension which delivered fluid handling along with the expectational ride quality. The XF steering adapted between low speed, lightning high speed help. The hot brake pedal has a gradual response too. Guys, the rear drive XF is rated up to 25 mileage in city and 33 mileage on highway. The more powerful model with all-wheel drive is rated at 22 mileage in city and 30 on highway. We tested the latter XF5 on our 75-mile highway fuel economy route, which is a part of our extensive testing regime, and it achieved 30 mileage in real world. For more information about the XF fuel economy, visit Typa's website. Guys, inside the XF receive a suitable makeover. Gone are center console rotary shifter and the outboard air vents that rotated upon in the dashboard. Now next to the shift handle rests the drive mode selector that lowers into the console when not in use. Jaguar overhauled the climate controls too, with dials that have self-contained temperature setting. The redesigned center console hosts the optionally standard wireless charger, and Jaguar says the space offers increased storage. The front seats are wider than before and have larger breathing of cooling areas. Passenger and cargo space remain unchanged. We preserve the sedan's roomy back seat and capacious trunk volume. Guys, Jaguar graces every aspect of infotainment system called PV Pro. That runs through an prominent 11.4 touchscreen and curved glass. We have not interacted with the new interface yet, so we can't say whether it's more responsive and less glitchy than the company's past system. But we will keep you posted in addition to supporting over-the-air update. The setup comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, a 12-speaker Meridian system. Guys, Jaguar's mid-size sedan offers a throughout selection of optional driver assistant technology. For more information about the XF crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key features include available front forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, available blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, standard adaptive cruise control. So guys, that's all. Kindly subscribe our channel so you never missed any update. Thank you.